Hi everyone, today I am going to solve the Excel caption assignment of the Pearson MyITLab course. And if you want me to do any other part like PowerPoint part, Word part or SS part, or if you want me to do your complete Singage course, Simnet course, Pearson course, Math course, Stats course, Finance course, Accounting course, Nursing course, Psychology course, or QuickBook course, you can contact with me. You can contact with me through my email address. My email address is given at the bottom of the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact with me through my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is given at the bottom of the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given in the thumbnail of the video and in the thumbnail of the channel, or you can directly click on the WhatsApp link which is given in the description of this video. Now I am going to start that one assignment. Its name is Excel Comprehensive Capstone2 Summer Revenue. Its project description is given here. You can read it so you will understand what you need to do in this assignment. In our first step, what is he asking? Open the Excel file, student Excel comp cap2 summer revenue downloaded with this project. Our first step basically involved the downloading of the Excel file from the Pearson dashboard and opening of that one file. I have downloaded that one file and opened that one file. That's our file. What next he is asking to do? In our second step, on the main store worksheet on the in the range B6 to B9 to B16, use the fill series feature to interest rate beginning from the 8%, decrease amount by 0.5% and ending to 4.5%. So we will go to the range B9. He is asking to put in the cell B9. We will select the cell B9. That's our cell B9. We will put our range as a 8% and select that one and select the series. What is the series? Our series will be the 0.9% decrease. Our step value will be the negative 0.9% and stop value will be the 4%, 4.50%. We will put that one 4.50% and press OK. You see we have got our value which is decreasing by 0.50% and up to 4.50%. That's our step number. And format the rates as a percentage style with the 0 decimal places and apply bold and center. So we will format the rates. That's our rates. We will apply percentage style with the 2 decimal places and apply bold and center. So already applied, we will apply bold and center to this one. That's our step number 2. In our step number 3, what is he asking? In the cell B8, enter a PMT function using the information in the range B2 to B4. Calculate a monthly payment. Be sure the result display as a positive number. Use this formula. So we will copy this one formula in the cell and paste it in the cell B8. That's our cell B8. We will paste our formula here and we will got our value as a 9043.62. That's our results. That's our step number 3. If you don't have this one formula, you can calculate this one by manually. So I will put this one as a manually. You will put is equal to PMT function, start our bracket. What is the rate? Our rate is the interest rate per year. That's our per year rate. So we will divide this one by 12. So our rate will be now monthly rate. What is the period? Number of period. Our number of periods in the month. That's in the month. So 180 month. No need to multiply this one with the 12. It is, if it will be in the years, you will multiply this one with the 12. It's already in the month, so no need to multiply anything. Plus put minus sign and select the amount of loan and close our parentheses and press enter. So you see we have got the same value as the formula. That's our third step. In our fourth step, what is he asking? In the cell B8 to H16, create a data label using the information in the cell B2 to B4, where the row input is the period and column input is the rate. So we will select that one. That's our we need to fill the range, that one. we will go to the data tab, and what if analysis we will select and select the data table. And what is the row input he is telling us? Our row input is the periods, so we will select the row input as a period. And what is the column input? Our column input is the percentage rate, so we will select the percentage rate as a column input and press OK. So we have got our results in our range. That's our data table. And what he is asking, apply the format B8 to the result in the data cell data label. So we will say copy the formatting from the cell B8, go to the format printer, select the format printer and apply to this range. So that's now applied. And what next he is asking to do? Auto fit column width C to H. So we will select the C to H column and auto fit that one, so all values now visible. Format the payment option closest and nearest then 1000 per month with the note cell styles. So we will select closest to the and less than the 10,000 per month with the node cell style and change the orientation to landscape. So we will go to the, we need to find the which one is the closest and less than 10,000 per month. So we will select the 10,000 per month, that is our closest and lowest. So we will select that one. No, we will go downside, that is our closest and lowest. 10,000 per month we will use as a node cell style. We will apply to the cell styles. We will select as a node cell style to this one. That's now apply. Change the orientation to landscape. We will go to the next step now. In our fifth step, what is he asking? On the quarterly appraisal cost worksheet. So we will go to the quarterly appraisal cost worksheet. That's our quarterly appraisal cost worksheet. Apply the currency cell style to the range B6 to E6. So we will select the cell B6 to E6. That's our cell B6 to E6. So we will open the cell style launcher, and he is asking that currency 0 cell style. That's one the cell style we will apply to that range. What next he is asking? Apply comma 0 cell style to the range B7 to E17. So we will select B7 to E17. That's our range. We will apply comma 0 style. That's our comma 0 style to our range. What next he is asking? To the range B18 to E18, apply the currency 0 style from and the total cell style. So we will select B18 to E18. We will apply currency 0 cell style and then apply total cell style to the range. That's our range. We apply total cell style to range. That's our step number 5. In our step number 7, what is he asking? In our step number 6, name the range B6 to E10 as a swim cost. So we will copy that one and select B6 to E10. That's our range B6 to E10. We will go to the formula tab and select the define name, and we will paste it as a swim costs. What next he is asking? For the B11 to E14 shirts cost, we will select B11 to E14 as a shirts costs. B11 to E14 as a, we will select again define name as a shirts costs. Then the next one will be the jacket cost E15 to B15 to E16. We will select B15 to E16 as a jackets cost. And what next he is asking? For B17 to E17, you will select as a heads cost. We will select B17 to E17. That's our range B17 to E17. We will select define name and select as a heads cost and press OK. These are the range names we have applied to our sheet. In our 7th step, what is he asking? Insert a new row 15. So we will select the row 15. That's our row 15. We need to insert row upside. That's now our row 15. What next we need to do? We need to put the data here in the cell A15. You will put this one. Then in the cell B15, use these value. Then the next one, use these value. Again next one, use these value. For the next last one, use 9275 value as a name manager. And what next he is asking to do? Display the name manager and then edit the chart cost name to include row 15. So we will go to the name manager and we will select the chart costs and we will edit that one and select that one. So E15 should be included with this one. We will select again. We will select that one. What is he asking? Row 15. What is the chart cost? B15 to E16. B11 to E15. So we will select B11 to E15. That's our range. We will press OK and that's our included now. Our new one is now included to short cost. That's our step. Close out this one. What next he is asking to do? Select the head cost and edit the name of the hardware cost. So we will select the heads cost. We will select the name manager. We will select the heads cost. Select edit that one and rename it as a hardware cost and press OK and then close that one. That's our step number 7. In our step number 8, what is he asking? Select the cell B19 on the formula tab. In the formula, select the cell B19. So we will select the cell B19. That's our cell B19. On the formula tab, click on the formula editing, press error checking and then select update formula to include cell. Use the fill handle to copy the corrected formula up to cell B19 to E19. So we will go to the select and we will select error checking and we will select update formula to include the cells and then click cancel. Then copy this formula up to the range E19 like that. That's our step number 8. In our step number 9, what is he asking? On the quarterly April cost worksheet, in the cell B25, insert a function to sum the swim cost name range. Using the name in the formula, create a similar formula in the cell B26 to B28, being sure to use the range name in the each formula. So we will go to the cell B25. That's our cell B25. We will use the sum function and select the swim cost. Press enter and for the second one we will use the short cost. We will select the short cost as a range name. So for the third one we will use the sum function and select the jacket cost. Close our parentheses and press enter. For the third one we will use the sum function for hardware cost and close our parentheses and press enter. For the last one, what is he asking? In the cell B29, calculate the total, and then using the style gallery. So we will use in the sum, we will select that one and paste that one as a sum. Press enter, so it will be our sum. What next he is asking to you? Using the style gallery, apply currency format and total cell style. So we will apply currency format. We will go to the home style and go in the cell style and select the currency cell style. Then again apply total cell style. What next he is asking to do? B25 currency cell style. Again we will select B25. We will go to the cell style and go downside and select currency cell style. For the cell C6 to C8, you will select the cell style and select the comma cell style, comma dot zero cell style. That's our step number 9. We have total 25 steps in this assignment. I have performed 9 steps in this video. If you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, or if you want to know the remaining steps of this assignment, or if you don't have time to do that one assignments, or if you want to get an A grade in your assignment, or if you want me to do your complete Cengage course, Simnet course, Pearson course, accounting course, nursing course, psychology course, QuickBook course, math course, stats course, you can contact with me. You can contact with me through my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is given at the bottom of the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given at the bottom of the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given in the thumbnail of the video and in the thumbnail of the channel. Or you can directly go into the description of this video and directly click on the WhatsApp link which is given in the description of this video. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get a new video update. Thank you.